Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siregar and I'm from 3C class. And in this video, I will talk about some topics. And the first topic is about Indonesian people should accept the Rohingya refugees. And my personal opinion is yes, we should accept Rohingya refugees because we knew all about what happened on their country and what caused. So we should help them. We should participate to help them, like we accept them in our country. But there are some problems that appear apparently, like some of them start to make a chaos from their bad behavior, like they throwing away the free food that they get from people around them, from Aceh, masyarakat Aceh, and then they complain that the money they got from what lembaga yang melindungi mereka itu kurang gitu. So that behavior makes Indonesian people angry. But yeah, actually we still should accept them, but we have to make rules for them because we are the Indonesian, right? We are helping them, so we should be respect each other. They should be obey our rules, and we should help them, make them comfortable in our country. So that's the solution for some problems that they make apparently. So next topic is about some scientists think that there are other intelligent life forms on other planets, and messages should be sent to contact them. And while some scientists think it is a bad idea and could be dangerous, and I do on the some scientists that think it could be dangerous because basically we are a different creature, right? Because we are human, we communicate with international languages, non-verbal languages that we understand each other, right? Meanwhile, that another intelligent life forms, we don't know what actually it is, right? So if they couldn't talk, couldn't communicate like how we do usually daily, and how could we communicate each other? How could we make a deal? How could we make a together living, right? So that's a really risky percobaan experiments. That's a really high risk experiment. So I do not on that side. I strongly believe that men and women are not equal at all. Why? Because I have some views like the feminist beliefs that women should be protected, women should be taken care of, and women should be respected, etc. And then I can see from our daily life that actually we can see that clearly that women and men are not equal. Like example, there are some train that have special facilities for women, and then there are some buses that have special bus for women, right? We all know that. And from that example, it shows that men and women are not equal. Why? What is factor? What's factor that makes men and women are not equal? Like basically, women have natural habit, natural behavior. Like we all know that women more sensitive, woman more emotional, and woman more fragile, right? And we cannot be like how to say pura-pura unsee that, because it is what it is. All right, the next topic is about death penalty, and I do believe death penalty should be implemented in every country, but in for some term and special condition, like for the big criminality that contains very much victims on it in it, etc. Like death penalty give um feel secure to the masyarakat, to the nation, kepada warga, because like for some big case like terrorism and then planet murdering, pembunuhan berencana, I think that are some examples of big criminality. So death penalty come to make nation, to make masyarakat feel secure, because when people hear about death penalty, people have fear. So because from that fear, some criminals should be stop doing some big criminals like terrorism, planet murdering, etc.